What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you guys how I installed my ISR tension rods. And you might be wondering, how do you know if your tension rods are bad? Well, if your steering wheel starts to shake violently around like 55 miles per hour, then that means that your tension rods are probably going out. There could be also other reasons why your steering wheel is shaking that bad at 55 miles per hour, but for 240s, that's mainly the reason. Because with the stock tension rods, they have these bushings in there. Then they get old and they get dry rotted, and then they just start going bad. So let's get into the video.
Okay, so today we're gonna be putting on these ISR performance tension rods. These are the pro versions, so the more expensive ones, but brand new, still in the box. Comes with hardware to mount onto the suspension. There's also, but I'm gonna show you guys how to go through this, or how I'm gonna go through this at least. So just put that back in the box. So it's a fairly simple, fairly easy job, I think. If you take a look at it, it looks pretty simple. But first thing we're gonna do is jack up the car in the front. So just get a jack here, put it under there. And you're just gonna find the jack point, which I put it under the core support. So all you have to, just gonna open the hood like there. You see that jack point down there? There's a jack point on the core support down there. I'm going to jack it up there. So I'll get back to you guys after I jack up the car. Now I got the car up. I'm just going to take off the wheels and then I'm going to get to work. So let's keep going. Oh, okay. 19 socket. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now, all right, got the lug nuts off. Now let's take off the wheel. You know what? It'd be better to use this as a seat. So. Okay, so where is the tension? Okay, so tension rods. All right, under here might be a 17. Let's see. Under there, you probably can see it. Alright, now if you see this old tension rod, the bushing is super shot. Okay, so I got the other one in. This is the old one. This is why I'm replacing these the tension rods. See, this one's like really blown. Oh my god, like right like this spot right here. But yeah, I'm looking. All right. Got one. Alright. Come on, you stupid. Alright, now it's out. Now it's out. Don't need that no more. Put the tension rod up here like this through here. You can squeeze it to make it easier. Squeeze it. Then you grab your old bolt nut, or just grab the bolt for now. Grab the bolt, shove it in there so it'll be lined up perfectly. Now, what I do is I adjust it after I put it in, so loosen this so it's a good, reasonable length. Now, you can loosen this side and this side to adjust the length to these holes. So I'm just gonna adjust it to where the holes line up. That's where it was from the manufacturer. So got this wrench. You can use the wrench to loosen these nuts and then adjust these ends. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, so after adjusting it, the bolts should just drop down like a glove. Right. Give you a better view here. Okay, so it should just fall down. Just a little bit more. See, now it fell down. Tighten these up if you want to, and just a reminder, this side is reverse threaded. The side with where the two bolts go is reverse threaded. The other side's, you know, regular lefty loosey. So yeah, tighten up the nuts. You can go ahead. What I do is I put anti-seize on these bolts so it won't seize up, and make it easier to put on the nuts too. So and then go ahead, check the bolt in, put the nut on. Now you take your ratchet and your Allen key, which is a 10mm ratchet, 10mm Allen key, and spare your 17 socket. Put the Allen key on like so. And you can go ahead and tighten these up all the way. Okay, so they're fully tightened down. If you're the type of person that likes to torque everything, you can go ahead and torque it. That's it. Get over here. Go ahead and tighten up these nuts right here. So, where's my wrench? Go ahead and tighten up these nuts. Remember, this one right here is reverse threaded. So lefty is tighty and righty is loosey. What? Yeah. That's what it looks like on. I think it looks pretty good. But now, put the wheels on, and then we can go test drive it. So I'm gonna put these wheels on, and then I'm gonna start with the car, and then I'm just gonna wait for my dad to come back so we can go drive it. All right, wheels. All right, I got the wheels torqued down in the car lowered. I know it looks a bit dark. It's currently, I think, 5. Yeah, 5:58, so it's almost 6. Right now we're gonna start up the car. So let's hope my battery isn't dead. This is the first time I started my car in a while. I've been on vacation, so let's see if it still works. Hell yeah! Woo!
Okay, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video. Again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.